is Jessica Pace, and today we are going to talk about why it's so important to clean and sanitize your makeup brushes and how to the most efficiently. So, I have my brushes right here. They are all ready to be cleaned. And the reason why it's so important to clean makeup brushes is because these are things you are putting on your face every single day. Your skin and your pores are so prone to absorbing bacteria that the last thing you want to do is be putting something dirty on your face all day, right? We all try to avoid touching our face with dirty hands. So why would you want to be putting a dirty brush on your skin every day? So really, if you are using any makeup whatsoever and whatever tool you're using, you want it to be clean, especially if you are using a liquid or a cream product. Those products are really just going to sink right into the bristles of your brush, and it is like the perfect breeding ground for bacteria, and putting that bacteria onto your skin is going to cause infection, acne, irritation, all that gross stuff. So you should be washing your brushes at least once a week. I try to clean them at least 2 to 3 times. And I am someone who is acne prone, okay? So I 100% notice if I'm not cleaning my brushes regularly. So I swear by this. And let's talk into how to clean your brushes, okay? So about a year ago, what I had been doing, basically since I'd been wearing makeup, is buying a brush cleaner, a liquid brush cleaner, where you would dilute it with water and you would completely immerse your brush in the cleanser and swirl it around, right, and it would be completely wet, and then you would like lay it out to dry on a towel for what probably takes close to 24 hours for it to completely dry. So either you aren't going to wear makeup the next day, or you have to have a second set of brushes to use the next day because it's so time consuming to clean your brushes. So with that being said, I was hardly ever cleaning my brushes, as much as I needed to. So what I have found is the best brush cleaner ever. 1, it cleanses. 2, it sanitizes, which there's a big difference between cleaning and sanitizing. You want both. And 3, it conditions your brushes. So it's gonna make your brushes stay high quality for so much longer. They're gonna last you so much longer and feel so much softer on your skin. So this is a Restore brush cleaner. And the reason this is so much different than typical brush cleaners is that it's a spray. So let me show you how it works. And you can do it in 30 seconds. You could do this a minute before you apply your makeup for the whole entire day. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your dirty brush and you're gonna spray this directly on the brush. Can you guys see? A couple spritz like that. Then you're just gonna take like a clean paper towel or a rag or something, and you're just gonna swirl it on there, okay? Go, can you guys see how much makeup is coming off? And I'm probably gonna do this a second time, just to get it completely clean. So you can already tell there's a difference in how clean it is, but there's still a tiny bit left. And let me tell you, this is completely dry right now. I could completely put this into my foundation and use it right on my face immediately after, which solves the problem of having to wait 24 hours to use your brushes. You could do this every single day right before you apply your makeup. So you can just see how much more came off, right? So we have this side and this side, and now it is like brand spanking new. So I'm gonna do this side. I love these brushes because they are all double-ended, right? Give me efficiency. Again, rub it on there. One thing too is this brush cleaner smells like cotton candy. Ugh, isn't that gross how much stuff comes off? So this one is now clean. I'm gonna go in with my brush that I use for blush and bronzer. Love this brush, but you can kind of see how it's a little bit pink on top from the blush, and then this side I use for powder and bronzer. So again, I'm just gonna apply this cleanser right on the tip. Another thing too that makes this different from other brush cleaners is since you're not completely immersing it, it's not gonna loosen the bond of the bristles at the bottom of your brush, which that's gonna cause shedding, so you don't want that. Okay. So that's what came off of my blush brush. Now this is clean, brand spanking new. Now we're gonna take this side, and it doesn't look that dirty, but you're gonna see what comes off. So again, guys, my whole kitchen smells so good right now. It smells like cotton candy. And I was really nervous to use this on like a big fluffy brush because I'm like, oh my gosh, and then it's gonna be like all chunky, but look, I'm rubbing it on my skin. completely dry. And to show you, okay, so that's what came off the bronzer. To show you that I can use this immediately after, let me put on some blush. Let's go into this color called Dahlia. So I'm just gonna tap it in a tiny bit, and you can kind of see that the blush went on there. Can you guys tell? See how beautifully that still just blends onto my skin? Completely dry. And it's all sanitized and clean, so you're not spreading that bacteria, causing unnecessary acne on your skin, and they smell nice, and my brushes are gonna stay soft and clean, and it's something that's easy enough that I can do every single day. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you my quick tip on how I like to sanitize and keep my brushes really nice. It's really affordable as well. I'll put a link in the description below if you guys are interested. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out, comment below, send me a DM, any of those. But I hope you guys have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.